Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about SEO and how to use XC title and tags on your title to be found in the search results. So, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to build an impactful online business, don't forget to subscribe today and make sure that you check out my free XC library. I will link it below. That way you could get freebies, checklists, and much more. So let's go ahead and dive into this video. So as you guys know, every listing has a title, and it's the text that appears above the listing image on the actual listing page. And keep in mind that the listing title should tell shoppers just in a few words what type of item you're selling. But keep in mind also that the first few words of the listing title have a particular strong influence on XC search results. So what you want to do is you want to use your main keyword in the beginning of your title. You only want to place words and phrases buyers will search for that particular listing title. And another big one is that you do not want to stuff keywords in your title. Back in the day, that's the way that XC allowed it. And back in October of 2018, XC did changes and they clearly state that for the new SEO algorithm, they want you to write short titles that describe what you're selling, short and sweet. They don't want you stuffing, as many keywords as you can on a title like we used to be able to do. So another thing you want to keep in mind is that when you are doing your keyword title, you do not want to put keywords that people would not search for. I see a lot of titles that says print on demand, t-shirt 456, or I'll see a title that says ships within 24 hours, flower artwork. So the print within 24 hours, people don't search for that item that way. Your target customer is not typing in print 24 hours to find that particular wall art that you're selling. So just keep that in mind. If you have any specifications of that particular item that you're selling, whether it's a print on demand, whether you ship it within 24 hours, let's say you have a name for the piece of art, you want to put that in the listing description, but you do not want to waste that title adding those additional words in your actual title, because one is spammy, two, it will not help you when it comes to SEO. So you want to make sure that you stick with using keywords and phrases that people are searching for to find what you are currently selling. So there are some title limitations, so just keep this in mind. The maximum length of a title is 140 characters. If you write more than 140 characters, it will get truncated in the search results. So don't try to write too many and then it gets cut off. I would do at least under 140 or even less than that. The following characters may be only used once in a title. So percentage, semicolon, and then the amplify can only be used once in your title. So just keep that in mind. And for the title, you can only use 3 words in all capital letters. This is something that they have talked about over and over and over. The main reason also is because if you are running ads on and Google Shopping, you do not want to put all letters in capitalized for the syndication of it. So just keep that in mind. And I wanted to show you guys an example of a listing that has keyword stuffing. And this is what they mean by keyword stuffing. They have birthstone necklace, comma, birthstone necklace for mom, comma, Mother's Day's gift, family tree necklace, birthstone jewelry, mother's birthstone necklace. So one, they're repeating keywords. So therefore, they're doing SEO incorrectly because you don't want to keep repeating the same keywords. Secondly, they're stuffing a lot of keywords in there. And the reason why XC does not want you to stuff keywords is because it does make it confusing for the buyer to know what exactly they're buying. And some people actually do get confused when you have like 10 different keywords in your title. So making it short and sweet, straight to the point, and adding a call to action is what you want to do. So I rewrote this one to kind of give you guys an example. So if this was my listing what I would put is birthstone necklace, because that's probably their main keyword, and that's why it's in the beginning of the title. And I would say birthstone necklace with a variety of designs you will love. Explore now. Now, the reason why I wrote it just short and simple is because in the photo they have different styles, different colors. And then on top of that, I added a call to action. Call to actions are very important. You have to tell people what to do. By telling the people to explore now or click for details, it's gonna help you increase your click-through rate. And if you increase your click-through rate, that means that they're going into your listing, they're shopping in your store. The longer they stay browsing the products and services that you sell, the higher the probability of them buying. And it increases your click-through rate. So when you increase your click-through rate and you get more people to click, that equals more opportunities of selling. So therefore, every type of anything you promote, whether it's your Etsy title, your listing description, you post this on social media, everything should be followed with a call to action. So at the end of that sentence, you should include a call to action telling the customer what to do next. So this will be a great example of a short, precise title with still SEO in mind, but also in mind with the customer. When the customer reads it, they won't be confused or questioning why there's like 10 different wordings that don't even go together. So this is a great example of a short, sweet, beautiful title. So I hope that this video helps you understand more about Etsy SEO and using titles and tags correctly on your title. Guys, don't forget to check out the videos I just put on the screen. They will help you increase your Etsy sales. And don't forget to love this video and also leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.